Hi, y'all, it's me. As you can see, the news is that I was selected to be part of Rosie's Studio Creative Club design team, and I was super excited when I found out I was selected. Um, they're an online store in New Zealand, and they carry the most beautiful collections, paper collections. They have dies and stamps, and speaking of stamps, they have a sale right now going on, buy one get one free, and that offers through September 30th, so you might want to have a look at that. They also have some new collections that just came out. I don't have them yet, but one is called Pocket Full of Sunshine, which is so pretty. The other one's a Christmas collection called Oh Joyful Day, and then the other one I believe is called Bayfair. So you might want to go over and check those out, and I'll be sure to link that in the description box, as well as the items that I'm going to share with you today that I've selected. I just want to thank Rosie's Studio for giving me this opportunity. So let me start with some dies that I got. She has the cutest dies. They're the mini dies, and there were a few that I don't have. I have some of them, but I wanted a few more. So I picked this one up, and I don't think they have a name. It's a frame, just a frame die. It's so cute. And then the next one I picked up was this scalloped heart. And then the other one I picked up is the mini ticket die. And it has the word friend and loved that you can add to the top there if you choose. So those were the first items that I selected. With no reason other than I liked it, I picked this up. These are just puffy stickers from the Unconditional collection, and I just really love these. The colors were so pretty and soft, and I don't have the collection to go with it. I just wanted the puffy stickers, so I picked those up. The next thing I picked up was something that was kind of fallish. There wasn't a lot of selection with this one because it's probably, one of the little bit older collections, but I was able to get jumping puddles, and I was able to pick up the puffy stickers, which I think are so adorable. The little bird, sweater, puddle jumper. Just really cute images, and I think these will be fun to play with for fall. And this is the paper pad that came in that collection. I'm just kind of flip through it so you can kind of get a little idea of what this looks like. It's single-sided. There's some gold accents on this page. And as I said, I thought this would just be kind of nice to use for fall, since we are in our fall here. This one has gold hearts. I don't know how well they're showing, but it's so cute. Let's see. It's like a ledger paper. The umbrellas have gold on the tips of the handles. I think that's the first one, and then it repeats itself. So very pretty. So I picked that one up. Next, I picked up another collection that I kind of felt was like fallish looking, and this is Wildwood, and this is the 6x6 paper pad. So again, I'll just kind of lightly flip through this so you can see what this one looks like. Again, I believe there's some gold accents in this one. There is, as you can see here. It's very pretty. There's some gold leaves there on that piece. Again, I was just had kind of fall in my head when I was making my selections with the items that were in the shop. There's like gold splatters down at the bottom. That's cool. And then we're back to the front again, and you get another whole set. And then with that collection, I got the ephemera pack, and this one has 136 pieces in there, and this is what they look like. Really pretty. I'm looking forward to playing with it, see what I can come up with. I also got the Wildwood puffy stickers. Kind of a combination. You have fox and a bear, and then you got butterflies, which are delicate and fragile. It's really pretty. And then, lastly, and this one is a digital collection. Now, Rosie's Studio has about 4 digital collections. They don't have a whole bunch, but they've got 4. And I decided to get one of them because it's a Halloween theme, and it's called Midnight Moonlight. And I wish they would have more, actually. I think it would be so nice if they came out with more digitals. But for now, this is the one I selected, and this is the pack that you get. And I've printed everything to show you what's included. So you have this ephemera page, which you can, again, you can resize these to be smaller, bigger, whatever you need them to be. I printed everything just as is so you can see what they look like. Really cute images and words and little tags you can use. This is the next one. Such a cute, look at the pumpkin faces, how adorable. Little tags. The ghosts are so cute. Look at that. This tombstone says, "Be right back." So Be Right is her name and back. So cute. Anyway, super cute collection. Here's a paper, a solid paper. Orange and purple stripes. And these kitties, oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at the kitty faces on this pattern. It's got orange polka dots or stitching in the back. I guess it's diagonal stitching. You can kind of see in the background there. Here's those cute, cute pumpkins. Oh my gosh. They are just adorable. Here's an orange polka dot. Really cute. This one has bats and houses and skulls with little flowers on them. Really cute. There's nothing spooky about this collection. Here's the kitties. Really adorable. Really prints, really nice quality. Look at this one. This is just gorgeous the way this looks in person. I hope it picks up on camera, but the colors just pop off the page against the black background. All the different stars. Really beautiful. Here's another ghost page. Got them in chains, eating a lollipop, going trick-or-treating. Really cute, cute. This is the next page. It's just a background page. Here's the other one again with the skulls and the little mansion thing. So that's the collection. I think it's just adorable, and I can't wait to start playing with it. So that's why I wanted to come on and share with you, you know, what I selected so that I can get busy and play. So that is everything that I've gotten from Rosie's Studio for now. And I can't wait to create some projects for you with all of this. So please come back and be sure to shop at Rosie's Studio. I'll leave the link again down below in the description box. Thank you for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.